Hey everyone, in this video I'll give you some hints on how to do the opportunity cost problems. Let's look at the first one. It says a country produces only apples and bananas. Moving from point A to point B along its production possibility frontier. 5 apples are foregone and 4 bananas are gained. What is the opportunity cost of a banana? The way we define opportunity cost is gonna be loss over gain. We are losing 5 apples here and we are gaining 4 bananas. So that's the solution to this question. Then we go to the next one. It says we have another production possibility frontier is asking a combination of 4 gallons of milk and 4 gallons of ice cream. We're gonna see the bunch of choices here. All right. Okay, I'm trying to check the choices. It's gonna be unavailable. So if I look at 4 and 4 here, I know the answer options are not given. My answer here is gonna be unavailable because anything outside the production possibility frontier is unavailable. Anything inside is available and inefficient. Anything on is efficient and available. So to state this again, if I look at a combination which is outside the PPF or production possibility frontier, this is going to be unavailable. Anything which is inside will be available but inefficient, and anything on is gonna be available and efficient. Okay. Sorry, this keeps on moving too much. Take a look at this one here. This question is telling me, again, a PPF question. We have 500 pounds of apples and 1200 pounds of bananas, while at another point we have 300 pounds of apples and 1300 pounds of bananas. So between these 2 points, what is the opportunity cost of producing a pound of bananas? Again, the opportunity cost is defined as loss over gain. The loss in bananas is gonna be 300 minus 500. I'm just gonna keep a positive sign here, which is 200, and the gain, this is the loss in apples, and the gain in bananas is gonna be 1200 to 1300, that is 100. So the opportunity cost of a pound of bananas is gonna be 2 apples. Okay. Now let's go take a look at the next question here. It says Robinson Crusoe divides his time between catching fish and gathering fruit, and the production possibility frontier is still above. He's increasing the production of fruit from 56 to 90. Then what's the opportunity cost here? Like, they're basically asking what's the change in the production of fish. So he's increasing production of fruit from 56 to 90, and he is losing out of 17 pounds of fish. So 20 minus 37. He's having a loss here. Alright, take a look at this question here. They're asking you Jack's opportunity cost and Jill's opportunity cost. Again, to find the opportunity cost, I'm gonna look at this point and this point for Jack. Basically, the maximum points on the PPF that's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna write 24 food is equal to 12 clothing. So the opportunity cost of 1 pound of food is equal to half pounds of clothing. Now they're asking what's the opportunity cost of 1 pound of clothing. I can just flip it here and I can say 1 pound of clothing is equal to 2 pounds of food. Not too bad, right? Alright, now look at Jill's opportunity cost. I'm gonna look at this number 45 and this number which is 15. Now for Jill, I can write 45 food is equal to 15 clothing, or 1 food is equal to 1/3 of a clothing. And for 1 pound of clothing, I can flip it. 1 pound of clothing is equal to 3 pounds of food. This is how you do the opportunity cost questions. Okay. Alright, now let's look at the last question here. We are producing bread and books here, and we have bread on the horizontal axis, books on the vertical axis here. We keep on moving from B to C to D, and what's going on here? Is the opportunity cost increasing or decreasing? So I'm gonna use the formula for opportunity cost again, which is loss over gain. I can do 4 things here. I can move from A to B. I know it's asking from B to C to D. I can move from B to C. I can move from C to D. I can move from D to E. And in each of these 4 scenarios, I will count the opportunity cost, which is equal to loss in books over gain in bread. First one, the loss in books, it goes down from 1000 to 900 is 100. Gain in bread is staying the same throughout, is 0 to 100 is gonna be 100. So this one's gonna be 1. So the loss in opportunity cost of 1 bread is equal to 1 book here. Now look at B to C here. The loss in books is 200. Gain in bread is equal to 100. So opportunity cost of 1 bread is equal to 2 books. C to D, 400 and 700 is 300. I take the difference between these two. So again, the loss is 300, the gain is 100. This will be 3 books. Next one is 400 over 100. This is equal to 4 books. So your answer is going to be the opportunity cost is increasing as you move down along the production possibility frontier. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for viewing this video.